Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having amazing days, guys. Back again with a tech video for you guys. So you guys have read the title of this video. So this video is about 3 tips to make your tripod much more stable. So the tripod you're looking right now is a $20 entry-level tripod which works really good for taking some still photos and videos. But if you want to take a B-roll or a cinematic shot, the tripod creates a lot of shakiness due to which the shots become very blurry. So in this video, the first tip I want to share with you guys is try not to extend the height of the tripod. These tripods can extend to a certain amount of height, but whenever you try to increase the height of the tripod, it starts to make the shot very unstable, and due to which you will create this blur or shakiness in the video. So whatever object you are trying to film, try to keep it on a ground level or on a small table, so you don't really have to extend the tripod too much. So whenever I try to take some shots, I like to keep the tripod on the original height. I don't really like to increase the height from the leg side or from the head. So this makes my videos this makes like the cinematic look so much better. The second tip I want to share with you guys is kind of hack, to be honest, and believe me guys, this is the best one of this video because I have tried it myself and it works so good. The trick right here is to put epoxy, super glue, anything which works with metal and plastic into the joints of the tripod. So when I bought this tripod, it was really good, but there was a lot of play in the head and the base of the tripod. I mean, the metal and the plastic were stuck pretty good, but still there was a lot of play, and whenever I would like to take a sliding shot, it will create this play which will just blur out my video. And you can also check my last video in which there was so much blur, like the video was so much blurry and there was a lot of shake in the video. It was due to this problem. So what I ended up doing was I ended up putting this super bond. It's kind of like a super glue or a silicone, to be honest. I ended up putting this in the joints where the head of the tripod meets with the lower base, and this really eliminated this problem of the shakiness and the play from the tripod. And definitely if you're having a cheap tripod and if there's a lot of play, you can try this hack. It works so good. So the third, last but not least, and the third one I want to share with you guys is definitely a hard one, to be honest. It's like putting an elastic band on the arm of the tripod when you're taking a shot. So when you try to take a shot from a tripod, a cinematic shot or a b-roll, when you try to hold the tripod hand with your arm, usually this creates a very uneven kind of pressure on the tripod, due to which you will see the shots become very quick or very slow. So what you can try to do is you can put an elastic band on the tripod arm and try to drag it this way. So this will place a very even kind of pressure on the tripod arm, and the shot isn't going to be very slow or neither it's going to be very fast. So there is going to be a very even pace of speed on the tripod. So this hack is definitely not really easy to try for the first time. You may get annoyed for 2 to 3 times, but definitely keep trying for 5 to 6 times, then definitely you are going to nail this trick. And it's really good for taking a cinematic or a b-roll which you want to really take in a very slow motion kind of way. So the only game is try to pull the elastic with a certain amount of force, so it really creates a very even kind of pressure on the tripod head. So definitely a really good hack if you want to take some cinematic shots. With that being said, I think this video is pretty much wrapped up. Another thing I want to talk about is the people were asking why don't you keep your videos very long. I don't really like to waste anyone's time. I just like to get the information which I have to you guys, and that's about it. So that is the reason why my videos are kind of short as compared to many other people on YouTube. So I think anyways, if you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing or become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.